Welcome back, Cardinals, to the 2019 spring semester. We hope you had a restful break and that you are ready to return a rock star student. With the new year and new semester, we hope you are ready to meet all your academic goals, pass your classes, and be a model rock star student. So let's talk about the plan for today. We're going to start off the day in our Period 3 class with a welcome back activity. Then you will head to your Period 4 class for some rocks lessons. There are 3 different things that you will do. There's an in-class activity, you will attend a rally in the gym, and a presentation in the CBCA. Then we have lunch. Finally, we'll wrap up the day in our Period 5 class with a transcript lesson. So what can you expect from today? Well, first, you're going to be building community in all of your classes. Basically, that means you're going to be getting to know all the people that you spend a good portion of your time with. You're also going to learn how to practice mindfulness. This is a useful tool that we can use to help us through our day-to-day lives. You're also going to start thinking about your future goals and how what you're doing now can affect those goals. You're going to describe your values and morals and how they align with what we practice here at school, rocks. We want to think about how we can practice rocks outside the classroom and in our community. We want to make sure that we're always showing respect, ownership, commitment, kindness, and safety. But what exactly does that look like? We're going to take some time to discuss that further. You're going to attend a rally in the gym today, put together by our amazing ASB, and attend a rocks presentation in the CVCA. Finally, we're going to do some academic planning. We're going to be looking at your transcripts to figure out where you are on your road to graduation. It is never too early to start thinking about what you need to do to make sure that you're graduating by the time you're a senior. So welcome back. Have a great day and a successful school year.